What's up, it's Joe with OC Detailing. I have a really special Model 3 here. I had a customer come in and he wanted something totally unique. So we spent a ton of time trying to figure out exactly the look this customer was going for. After going through tons of options, trying a few things, testing, we settled on this. This car actually has a full 2080 3M vinyl wrap on it. After that, he's going to keep this for the long haul, so we did a full S-Tech DYNOshield paint protection film install on it. Then we did CQuartz Finest Reserve on top of everything. Along with that, we did some really cool carbon fiber accents from RPM Tesla to give this car the completed look of a really custom, really unique Model 3. This thing's super bright out in the sun, and it'll stay this way with nothing more than washing. I'll start with the paint. This color is a 3M 2080 dark blue, but it's got a lot of metallics in it that really pop out in the sunlight. On top of that, we did something unique with the chrome delete. We did satin black up here, but it's really subtle, but we did some wicked purple accents on this car. They blend in really nicely. We even did them on the T here. Up front, we actually did a carbon fiber splitter from RPM Tesla. Mark was nice enough to shoot this over to us. On the bottom of the car, we did carbon fiber rocker panels on this. So this is really cool carbon fiber look down here. We did carbon fiber mirror caps. We did some carbon fiber accents inside the car. 3M Crystalline window tint. 3M Crystalline is actually the highest performing window tint film there is. It blocks out a ton of heat and looks great and keeps the interior of the car substantially cooler.
What shade did we do?
We did 50% all the way around on this car and 70% on the windshield. It's one of those things that I personally have experienced this. Once you get used to this tint and you get into a car without it, you literally feel like a vampire. You want to throw garlic at the sun because the sun is so offensive. So this will be nice and cool. On the back here, we did this carbon fiber diffuser. This is really cool. It gives it a nice, mean look back here. We also did some custom missile letters here. A little bit different for a Model 3. The overall effect on this car is awesome. I can't wait for my customer to see it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos.